Well, it's another strange and wonderful day in this wild atmosphere I call home. And I want to get into the second part of this series, which I call Noteworthy. And this is about the practical application of what I call notebooking, which is basically collage and making notes and your creative process and planning and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how I use it to do something practical, like make a gallery wall. This one is for my office, so all the pieces are going to be fairly personal. And the first part, the hardest part, is really just getting everything in frames. These ones are from Winners, so they're cheap. I've been sitting on this piece for a long time. It's by an artist named Trevor Henderson, and it's about cryptids. And it's spooky, but it's also kind of fun, which is me. I have these Ralph McQuarrie prints, which I have literally been hanging on to since 1977. And I'm gonna keep changing them out. I got this great creepy piece from my friend Don, which is inspired by The Wicker Man, which is one of my favorite films of all time. I got this great map of the Misty Mountains in Mirkwood, where I spent most of my childhood. This funky little number by my friend's mom, Jeannie. I love this piece. I also got this sneaky little portrait. I say it's sneaky because underneath is a photo of my parents. They actually got divorced, so. But I can switch it up depending on who I'm having over as a guest. And this is a sign from my mom's Christian bookstore, telling her fellow Christians she has no washroom. So the first thing I do is lay them all out on the floor. No particular order, just lay everything out on the floor and take a picture. Print off the photo and cut out each individual photo. And then I simply arrange and rearrange until I have a composition that I think is pleasing. And from there, snap a level on the wall, measure out where your hooks are going to be, and start hanging that stuff up. Every office I've had this photo of my dad from his first job. It's a good luck charm of sorts. And I got this Oddfellows certificate from the Katy Market in Katy. It's a beautiful piece, and it's just weird and esoteric. I love it. I have problems with, the distance between pictures. I actually included a little ruler inside the original layout. Use this for scale and to help you determine the space between the photos. And that's it. I made some last minute adjustments on the fly because I do have another couple of pieces I'm going to hang up. And I mean, you can also do this on a computer if you want, but I like to sit with it, get a feel for it. And look at that. So I hope you like that little tip, and there's a lot more to come, but that's how I do it. Thanks again. It's great to have you here. Come back for the next one. Later.